Hello, today I'm going to review the Technics SE-A5 power amplifier and the SU-A6 preamplifier. And well, I just bought this set together with this CD player. Yes, I will make another movie from this CD player in combination with this complete setup. And I will make a video from this cassette deck player, the RSB965, and it was a top player, a 3-head deck. But today the movie is about this setup, this preamp and this power amp. And well, a few weeks ago I showed you that new integrated Technics amplifier from Technics. They brought out in a series together with that 1200G turntable, and there's no price out yet from that new SU-G700 amplifier, that integrated amplifier Technics brought out, but it was a beautiful picture what I saw. And it came in silver, in chrome silver. But when I see this thing, and this thing is from 1982, yes, 1982, then I think this thing is more beautiful. More beautiful because of these big VU meters. And that new Technics SU-G700 also have those big VU meters, but they are, I think, half as big as these ones. The only thing what I like more from that new amplifier, that it is in chrome, in silver. And but when I had a choice, yes, to choose between that new amplifier or this one, completely revised, yes, so completely new caps inside, I would make the choice for this amplifier. Also because this amplifier is, well, split between a pre and a power amplifier, and this thing have 2 times 120 watt a channel, and that the new thing have I think 2 times 70 watt by 8 ohms. The weight is only, and it is an integrated amp, and the weight is only 12.4 kilogram. And this thing alone, this power amp weighs, I think, 18 kilo, about 18, 17 or 18 kilo, so that's the difference. So on the second-hand market, these things are expensive. I bought this thing, as you could see in my scoring movie. I bought this thing very cheap, well, very cheap, 750 euro. Together with the cassette deck and the CD player, I think that's a very good price, And I think on the second-hand market, a set like this, yes, will cost you minimum, normally, yeah, if you are not lucky like me, 1,000 euro minimum. That's a minimum price, yeah. I don't think you can find them below that 1,000 euro. But yeah, maybe if you are lucky, yeah, because not everybody is knowing what they are selling. And the only thing this thing have is, as you can see in the corner, it have a, well, burst in the plastic, but it is plastic. It is not glass, so you can easily, if you buy a thing like this, I think you can easily, well, let that plastic make in a factory. I don't think it will cost you much. I think maximum 50 to 100 euro maximum. And well, this is how it is looking. Beautiful, beautiful. I just, only the looks. When I put the thing out, even when the lights is out, it is beautiful. Watch this. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. And when I turn on the thing, yeah, you can also leave the light out like this. Let me see. You see? Oh no, this is the output power. I don't think you can leave the light out. What is this? This is standing here. Output power. Select power.
speakers. I don't think you can switch out the light. Yeah, I don't know what is this remote, but yeah, all the lights are working. This is the protection bulb, as you can see, and okay, and this is the preamplifier. It have turnover, super bass. Well, it was on super bass. I think I have to place that back to normal, and turnover, bass, treble, super treble. What is this super treble? I'm not sure how to place that. Well, I place everything in the middle. I place everything in the middle in this test, and it have this. What is this? Well, DC, direct tone. Yeah, it is on DC now, so direct tone. So it is on flat. When it is on DC, it is on flat. Subsonic. Subsonic is a sort of, I think, loudness. No, it's not loudness, because here we have loudness, and here we have the mono stereo, of course, and the high filter, and the subsonic is also a filter, but for the low end, I think. And of course, here we have the balance, and here we have the volume knob, muting, and the selector switches, and of course here the two bulbs from the direct control or the via tone. Yeah, and well, this thing is 2 times 120 watt by 8 ohms. Yeah, and my speakers are, I'm not sure, 4 to 6 ohm, I'm not sure, but anyway, it's not important. I just hooked this thing up. I already made the movie from the cassette deck. Beautiful sounding cassette deck. And now I'm going to make a movie from this thing. And well, while I was making the movie from the cassette deck, the super bass, or the super bass was on this. So now I will just do it on DC and on flat. So this thing is a beautiful thing. What's this? Beautiful. Aux. It have, of course, you can switch between. Let me show you, and that's very nice if you have well, if you like to spin your records. It have the elements, yes, and it have two kind of elements, yes, 2 to 2.5 millivolts, or 2.5 millivolts to 250, or 2.5 millivolts it is only, and the MC element, and I can read it. Let me zoom in. And this thing will be a very nice combination when you have that black SL1200 MK2. It would be nice on top of this setup. Beautiful setup it would be, yeah. And well, like I told you, this thing is, for me it is vintage. Yeah, I always say, okay, vintage is until 80, 81. This thing is from 82, but this thing is vintage. Not only it is vintage, but it is one of the most beautiful setups ever built. And I think that's why they are so pricey. I don't think that this sound is better than my Akai. Later I will do a VS test, yeah, between my Akai over there, yes,
and that Akai is AM93, also a 2x120 watt. Yes, a integrated amp, and I think that Akai will sound better, but not sure. Anyway, I will play some music on this setup, and I will use my MP3 player for that. And let me show you my MP3 player, and this is how it sounds. Well, let me place my MP3 player like this. Yes, in the corner. I hope it will not fall down. This is how it sounds.
Oh, honey, talk is cheap. You're gonna have to convince me.
Yeah, a little bit more power.
Did you say I've got a lot to learn? Well, don't think I'm trying to show here my love. Graduation's almost here, my love. The sky's a blackboard. Graduation's almost here, my love. Come on and teach me tonight.
Well, Natalie Cole is, I think, my favorite jazz singer. I so much love this voice, and well, it's a pity she isn't there anymore. But well, she made some beautiful records. Well, let me find some different kind of music. Let me see.
Because that love of mine was I heard it sealed in with a key. How could an angel break my heart? Why didn't he catch me? He keeps her picture in the frame, and when he sleeps he calls her name. I'm shining in the sun. Oh, yeah. Oh, my beautiful.
Can't you see I'm no good without you? Take my leg. Let's go. Let's go. Your goodbye left me with can't you see I'm a mess without you?
and I don't refuse her. I always treat her with respect, I would never abuse her. While she's got grace, she's a winner. She's a lady. Whoa, I can leave her on her own, knowing she's okay alone and there's no missing. Well, she knows what I be talking about, that little lady. And the ladies in my so much emotion. How could you? How could you care for a cunning cottage? It's more than just a game for two. It's for the way you look at me. Oh, it's for love, love, love. It's more than just a game for two. Just anticipating, she has her grief and her care, and it's all so easy. Grab your coat, grab your hat. Life can be so sweet on the sunny side of the street. I used to walk in the shade. Away with it. The gold dust at his feet on the sunny side. Stop the rain from falling down. How can we stop? But let me live again. Sorrow, how can you mend a broken heart? How can you stop the things we make my broken heart and let me
runs for the show to me. I used to think
The whisper. For all those times you stood by me, for all the truth that you made me see, for all the joy you brought to me. And when I couldn't reach, you gave me faith 'cause you believe I'm everything.
Well, ending with Steely Dan. Last time I started with Steely Dan, now I end with Steely Dan. This was how it sounded, and really, I don't know how long I recorded, but I am tired. And really, this thing sounds beautiful. And believe me, if you can buy a thing like this for €1,000, you can't. Well, in the shops nowadays, yeah, you cannot find even something beautiful like this. I mean, if you watch those new Macintosh amplifiers, yes, they are looking nice. But in comparison, probably the Macintosh Bill sounds better. That's true. But for the looks, this thing beat, I think, almost everything in the shop nowadays. And that's strange because this thing is already 20, 30, 35 years old. 35 years old, and it beats almost everything what you can buy in the shop nowadays. And if you want to buy in the shop a beautiful thing like this, well, you have to spend at least 5,000-6,000 US dollar or euro. And the thing is also that for the sound, I'm not that sure that this thing will sound as good as a Macintosh you can buy for 5,000 euro, yeah, or 6,000 euro. I'm not sure if it, probably not, yeah, because I even think that my Akai sounds better, but I'm not sure. I will do that sound test later, and I will see, because it's always difficult to, you know, even if my Akai is spinning the whole day, it's always difficult to if you heard them separate, to say which one sounds better. But well, it doesn't matter. Even if it doesn't come close, or even if Akai sounds better, this thing is the more beautiful thing, and it is a really beautiful thing. And well, I'm not sure if I had a amplifier or a setup what was more better sounding than this one, what to do. You choose for the more beautiful one or the better sounding one. Well, for me it is very clear, I always choose for the better sounding one. I care about the looks, but the better sound is for me more important. But I can imagine that for you that's not important. Yes, it is easy to make the choice for this thing, even if it wouldn't sound as good as another device what isn't half as beautiful as this thing. And but I didn't say the thing doesn't sound perfect. You just heard the sound. The sound is very good, but I'm not sure if it can beat those newer devices in the shop. Yes, I was never a fan from Technics, never. The only thing what I like from Technics is this series. And you also have an MK2. This is the MK1, and the MK2 have not 120 watt a channel, but 150 watt a channel. But the looks are almost the same, almost. Yes. Well, this was the sound test from the beautiful Technics SE-A5 and the SU-A6. And well, if you can buy a thing like this on the second-hand market, believe me, they will not lose value. Only the trick is to buy a good one, a good sounding one, what is like this. Yes, it have a few dirty knobs. Yes, a few dirty knobs. Yes, this one is dirty. The switches are dirty. I didn't clean it. I also will not clean it. But yeah, this is it. And well, the thing just drop off the amplifier, and that's a pity. It just drops off. I will see if I can repair it. You see, just now it drops off. It is, I think, glass or plastic. Well, I will see if I can glue it. Yes. Well, thanks for watching. Put your thumbs up if you like this video and don't forget to subscribe on my channel. For now I say bye bye.